In the heart of the forest, where heavy machines battle rough terrain, one truck meets its match. On this episode of Heavy Equipment World, a routine haul turns into a full-blown breakdown. What went wrong, and how do you recover when the forest fights back? Let's find out. The first scene shows an excavator being transported by a truck along a narrow mountainside road. Suddenly, the truck loses balance, causing the excavator to tip over and slide off the truck bed. The excavator then falls down the steep mountainside as nearby witnesses react in shock and helplessness. Docência bien suspensas. On a busy highway, a car transporter is engulfed in flames with several vehicles loaded on it catching fire. Bright orange flames and thick black smoke billow into the sky, creating a dramatic and dangerous scene. Passing cars rush by at high speed while the fire continues to spread across the transporter, threatening to destroy all the vehicles on board. Next, witness a large log hauler defying gravity to pull a heavy, stuck roller up a steep, muddy hill. The engine roars with effort, the tires grip the slippery ground, and thick plumes of smoke rise. Despite the harsh conditions, the skilled operator remains precise, demonstrating the raw power of the machine and the teamwork needed to overcome the challenge. And here is a horrifying scene as a heavy excavator loses control and rolls down a steep ravine. Workers stand motionless, helplessly watching the machine smash through rocks and trees. A cloud of dust rises, marking the violent descent. A rugged Russian tractor powers through extreme conditions. Its raw strength and durability are on full display as it tackles obstacles that would stop most machines. This morning in Hell's Kitchen, a towering crane suddenly gave way, crashing down in a cloud of dust and debris. The dramatic footage shows the moment the massive structure twisted and fell, sending workers and bystanders scrambling for safety. The chaos unfolded in seconds, leaving behind a shocking scene of wreckage in the heart of the city. Next, watch a spectacular rescue, a Komatsu PC-200 excavator plowing through thick mud to pull out a bulldozer stuck deep in the mud. The excavator strains and pulls, eventually freeing the heavy machine in a display of strength and skill. Trouble hits hard at the rescue site. The team's mission to recover a stuck excavator is suddenly delayed when all the water pumps break down. Thick mud surrounds the machine, making every movement harder. Workers rush around trying to repair the pumps and control the rising water levels. With time ticking and conditions getting worse, the pressure mounts as they fight to save the excavator before it sinks even deeper. On the Narsingar Highway, a rescue turns intense as an escort Hydra crane struggles to lift an overturned truck lying off the road. The crane itself teeters dangerously, one wheel lifting off the ground as the operator fights to maintain balance. Every move is a high-stakes gamble, with the crowd watching breathlessly, hoping the daring recovery doesn't end in disaster. A daring rescue unfolds in the muddy fields as a Hino Victor 10-wheeler lies helplessly on its side. Two mighty excavators, a Kobelco SK200 and a Cat, roar into action, digging deep and straining their arms to pull the heavy truck back from disaster. Every lift and tug feels like a battle against gravity as workers shout instructions and the crowd watches in tense silence, hoping the massive machine won't slip deeper into the mud. Next, we look at a shocking incident that highlights the dangers of construction sites. This near-fatal accident shows how quickly things can go wrong, even with safety measures in place. It is a reminder for everyone to stay vigilant and make safety a priority. It's absolutely unbelievable. The driver's steering must be incredibly skillful to pull that off. Caterpillar D6N XL delivers outstanding efficiency with its optimized control system and advanced technology. It not only saves fuel, but also reduces operating costs, completing tasks quickly and precisely, even in tough conditions. The footage captures the dangerous reality of driving in harsh weather conditions, showing vehicles losing traction as they navigate slick surfaces. Despite their efforts, many can't maintain control, reminding us how crucial caution and preparation are. Watch this truck power through, crossing the river with ease. I thought it was stuck on that muddy slope, but nope. It was just taking a breather before the next haul. The 8.8 off-road truck trial is a beast, built for the toughest climbs. With 8-wheel drive and massive torque, it grips the terrain like a tank, powering up steep hills with ease. Its rugged suspension and reinforced chassis absorb every hit, keeping it stable on the roughest slopes. This machine doesn't just conquer obstacles, it dominates them. Behold this beast, a behemoth that rolls forth with unstoppable power. Its massive chassis and towering cabin signal its powerful presence, stunning at every step. Deep in the mud-soaked wilderness, a Soviet all-wheel drive military truck grinds forward, loaded with massive logs. Its tires dig deep, flinging dirt as the diesel engine growls with raw power. Built for war, unstoppable in the wild, no mud, no terrain can hold it back. A New Holland tractor accidentally slipped and fell into a pond, creating a challenging rescue situation. Immediately, a Cat JCB was dispatched to the scene using a crane and superior strength to pull the tractor to shore. After many efforts, the New Holland was finally rescued safely, marking a dramatic rescue. The weather is really good for sleepers. It has been raining heavily for many days. The road has become slippery. The 375 horsepower Howo truck, heavily loaded with goods, is stuck in a deep mud puddle. The engine roars fiercely, black smoke billows out. The wheels spin, rocks and dirt are flying everywhere, but the car is still helpless. The situation becomes more dangerous when the engine starts to overload, the temperature increases, the rope is stretched tight, the car roars like a wild animal wanting to be free. Oh no, The car slowly sank into the water, creating a scene that was both tense and funny. In Siberia, where the ice and nature are harsh, incidents like this are not uncommon. You can imagine how many vehicles have been submerged here. But even so, the richness of Siberia's underground is enough to make up for any losses. On the A108 near Obelensk, a car carrier with 7 cars on board lost control and plunged into a ditch. The rescue operation was challenging as rescuers struggled to pull the vehicle and its heavy cargo from the scene. This is a testament to the risks truck drivers face every day on dangerous roads. This was another example of logistical excellence, as 4 36M frames weighing a total of 20 tons were transported flawlessly. This task required meticulous planning and the support of top-notch specialist equipment. With a synchronized transport team and seamless convoy execution, the team demonstrated remarkable skill and confirmed the outstanding reliability of Weiss Rock products. An impressive collaboration. Won't you be born to be? Imagine you are handling this bulky item. Oh, do you want to experience that feeling? In this epic display of Australian heavy haulage, a 200-ton Caterpillar 994H loader and a massive 24M grader are transported with incredible precision. The massive machines roll across rugged terrain, showcasing the strength and skill needed to move giants through the outback. In Lake Township, Ohio, ARFF 28 charges into action as a semi-truck erupts in flames. Foam blasts through thick smoke, and within moments, the fierce blaze is crushed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more amazing heavy machinery content.